Hello Sheddies, and you join me again in my shed. You may know already, myself and Mark from the Small Workshop Adventures are doing a live stream 1 week on my channel, next week on Mark's channel. This week it's going to be on mine, and it's tomorrow, Thursday the 20th of July at 7 PM UK time, GMT. And well, a couple of nights ago we did a trial run. We've never done this before, we don't really know what we're doing, so we had a bit of a play about, so I thought I'd show you a few snippets of what went on. See you Thursday. Cheers. Right. If you can see, can you see on your screen?
I'm on your channel and I can't see you.
No, because it's not live.
Right, so what did you press to go privately live?
This stream, so you go on plus at the bottom of the screen, then you...
And it says put a title in there, blah 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 blah, and then it says private or unlisted. I put unlisted.
Next page, and it says copy the link.
Yeah, I've seen that. And then I copy the link, give it to you.
Accept, like a Teams call, and then you come in. So this isn't public, so you, yes, phone. That's right. So it shows no, but not live. If you click public, you'll be able to see it on my channel.
Stay on Thursdays, just please bear with us. We are both working out.
There we go. Live chats are all messages. Live chats are visible. Right. So blah blah blah. Right. You have to have another laptop set up or something.
Then I could comment
on my phone
and delete the video. But
right. So let's do that.
Are we going to leave it literally live and unscripted?
I think that is the best way. You know why? Because we'll come up with something that think, that's the topic we need to talk about in the future. Yeah. We could talk about the garden room that's coming on well.
Well, it's finished.
You finished?
It's finished. I haven't put up episode 4.
You like more waffle than video?
Both of us can talk. We're in stock, so and there's nobody nothing to talk about.
Oh, you do this, blah 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 blah.
Actually, verbal diarrhea, and there's plenty of Dorset when there's not even 3G.
And we're going to do more live. So best put in. I'm going to do it. I'm going to put a data cable down. I need to put new armoured cable in anyway.
Just going to keep it fluid and see where it goes.
4 or 5 sessions will have a bit of a format, if you like. Do old saw or...
We've got to be led by what the questions are, really.
Come live next time, you're going to have the screen the opposite way. But it goes locked.
Orientation locked. We've got to have it in portrait. No, in landscape.
On TV. Phone like this.
Yes.
Or it's happening in landscape anyway, won't it?
It's automatic.
You know what? Before we go, let's try it. Just in portrait now to see if it works.
Landscape.
Landscape, that's it. Bear 1 second.
Landscape. All right.
Live. What on earth are we letting ourselves in for?